guys, Courtney here with Southern Owls, and we are going to decorate this Dallas Cowboy inspired tree together. What I really like to do is I like to start with the top of the tree and then work my way down. So I want to measure out some really gorgeous tails, and we're going to do big showstopper bow. This ribbon is absolutely stunning. It's a 4-inch that I got from Craft Tech here in Houston, and it is their brand of designer ribbon. It is so gorgeous. I want this bow to actually be just kind of nice and simple, and let's make sure our loops are the same length, which they are, and we're just going to take this, find a branch, and we're just going to secure it in with using that branch on the tree, just like that, and we're going to give that a nice good fluff, just like that. So that's going to be the showstopper. And then we are going to take our scissors, and I'm going to cut one a little bit longer because I'm going to fold this right up on each other to make those ends look nice and crisp. And then we are going to add some stuff to the top of our tree. Let me point y'all up a little bit, just like that. And here are what I pulled. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start sticking these in. I'm going to start with the white. I have 3 of these beautiful white snowflakes, and we are just going to stick them right into the top of our tree. And you can wrap a branch around the twigs, the stems, as we go. We'll put one on that side, one on this side, and then we're going to go one right in the middle. Beautiful. And we're going to add in our silver. Just like that. And then one on the other side. Stick that right in there. Nice and snug. So gorgeous. Oh, it's really coming together. And now we are going to add these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful navy sprays just to tie in that Dallas Cowboys theme. And there you go. There is my tree topper for my Dallas Cowboys inspired tree.